language enthusiast. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are embarking on an exciting linguistic journey through the alphabet, starting with the letter A. Get ready to dive into the world of phrases and idioms that begin with this versatile letter. From apple of my eye to ace up your sleeve, we will explore the origins, meanings, and usage of some of the most captivating expressions. So, without further ado, let's unravel the allure of idioms and phrases related to the letter A. The very first one is apple of my eye. It refers to someone or something cherished above all others. For example, ever since she was born, my daughter has been the apple of my eye. Next is a bed of roses. It describes a situation that is comfortable, easy, or pleasant. For example, starting a new business isn't always a bed of roses, it comes with its own challenges. Next is a drop in the ocean. It signifies a small or insignificant amount in comparison to what is needed or expected. For example, donating a few bucks is helpful, but it's just a drop in the ocean compared to the funds needed for disaster relief. Another one is a pain in the neck. It refers to something or someone that is annoying or troublesome. For example, dealing with all these paperwork is such a pain in the neck. Another one is ABC. It stands for the basic knowledge or fundamentals of a subject. For example, before you can start cooking, you need to learn the ABC of techniques. Next is abreast of. It means to be informed about the latest developments or information regarding a particular topic. For example, it is crucial to stay abreast of changes in the market if you want to run your own business. Next is all in all. It indicates the overall assessment or conclusion of a situation. For example, all in all, it was a great vacation despite the rainy weather. Another one is at any cost. It signifies that something must be achieved or obtained regardless of the consequences. For example, she was determined to finish the marathon at any cost, even if it meant pushing through the pain. Another one is at stake. It refers to something that is at risk. For example, with the new regulations, the company's reputation is at stake. And last but not the least is ace up your sleeve. It represents a secret or hidden advantage or resource that can be used to gain an advantage. For example, he always has an ace up his sleeve during negotiations, which makes him a formidable opponent. So that was all. Thanks for joining us on this linguistic adventure through phrases and idioms related to the letter A. We have explored the depth of language, unraveling the meanings and origins behind these captivating expressions. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content exploring the richness of the language. Until next time, keep expanding your vocabulary and discovering the wonders of words. Take care and see you in the next video.